shining through the pain I've been holding. Late bloom a fine wine, vintage when it's chosen. Every setback, just a setup for the moment. Mama Maxine, had the vision on my own end. I'm golden, not before my time of golden. Back in our school, me shy, me quiet. Nerding at the corner, dreams in at the silence. Girls never watch me, them say me no stylish, but my brain heavy like a king's royal chalice. Haters laugh when me stumble upon stage. Frenemies smile, but the venom in the cage. Couldn't find my lane while my peers getting paid, but my journey write itself like a book turning page. I'm golden, shining through the pain I've been holding. Late bloom a fine wine, vintage when it's chosen. Every setback, just a setup for the moment. Mama Maxine, had the vision on my own end. I'm golden, not before my time of golden. Study late night when me had them red. Mama pushed me hard, every word she said. Felt like pressure, me couldn't see the thread, but she weave knowledge like cloth for me head. Now me create, me paint, me rhyme. She said the struggle just sharpened the shine. Lost some loves me, never want lose, but life show me better preparation for the truth. Every heartbreak, every sleepless test, every friend who left, every failed attempt, it never break me. It built me chest, from broken youth to a man well blessed. I'm golden, shining through the pain I've been holding. Late bloom a fine wine, vintage when it's chosen. Every setback, just a setup for the moment. Mama Maxine, had the vision on my own end. I'm golden, not before my time of golden. Golden, vintage like fine wine. Golden.